like this design.
Okay, simple enough.
Microsoft's new Windows 8 operating system is the most radical change to the look of its software since the late 1980s. This is David Gallagher for the New York Times.
Okay.
Windows 8, which goes on sale Friday, works best with a touchscreen computer and presents your email, the weather, photos, music, and favorite apps in a rainbow of large block icons.
Web page, let's see. Okay, it's really confusing.
We invited 5 people to come in and try out Windows 8.
Some of it feels intuitive once you've already done it, but it doesn't feel automatically intuitive.
The design is aimed in part at making Microsoft more competitive in the growing tablet market.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
But industry analysts say many consumers and businesses won't be inclined to adopt Windows 8 immediately.
We believe that 90% of medium to large business actually won't deploy Windows 8 to all their users. And that's not a bad thing necessarily, because they're really still working on Windows 7. They're working on trying to get off of XP. And that's really important. Businesses will look at Windows 8 for certain types of users, probably those that need tablets and such.
The traditional Windows Start button is gone.
It should be easier to identify. I shouldn't have to think about it.
But there is a key that gets you back to the Start screen.
You go back. Now I don't know how to go back.
To write a new email, you have to click on this plus symbol in the upper right corner.
I'll give you a hint. It's a button. It's a button. The on-screen button. On-screen button.
And printing something?
It's me.
To run Microsoft Office and other programs not optimized for Windows 8, users need to switch to the more traditional-looking desktop mode. Some people actually thought this feature was a good way to help people transition from older versions of Windows.
I felt like the biggest amateur computer user ever, and it just made me feel stupid.
The Start screen is kind of your home place for Windows. Here I have
Microsoft says it will include plenty of tutorials with Windows 8, but none of the people we interviewed plan to upgrade right away.
This is a pure guess. Most Windows users who are like a lot younger than I am will love it because it'll be closer to what they have on their smartphone. They're used to that kind of thing where they can expand it and touch the screen. So people are used to that, and I think most people would like it better.
Oh, that's a new one.
That's a new one, yes.
Yep.
Oops, I just closed everything. Maybe like this.